Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to log out of Instagram on all devices. To do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. And in here, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And then tap on the three lines on the top right. Now in here, go to Account Center. Now go to Personal Details or go to Your Information and Permissions. And here, if you can't find the logged in information, go back and go to personal details. Here, there is no one. Go to password and security. Now here you will find in the security checks section, there is a where you are logged in option. Head over there. Now select your account. Now, as you can see, these are the places where my account is logged in. So if we want to log out of this, we just have to tap on this and we have to select that and just tap on log out and the place from the account will be logged out. So yeah, this is how you can just delete or log out of all devices by selecting all of them. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.